Oftentimes, people in my community ask me, Eben, how do I connect Proxy to my laptop, my Windows laptop, and use it for surveys? In this particular video, I'm going to show you quickly. I'm going to quickly show you how to connect your Proxy to your laptop and get to use it for your survey, right? And I think doing survey on your laptop, I think is actually faster compared to doing survey on your phone. First, you're going to need to do is you're going to buy your proxy. Obviously, you're going to need to buy your proxy. And I already showed a platform, a free platform where you can actually get a proxy from. I'm going to try leave the link to that in the description. So if you get a free proxy, this could work for you. If you have a paid proxy, this could also work for you. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to be using paid proxy. And I'm going to show you where I get my paid proxy from. So here, we get our paid proxy from bigmama.network. You can actually try that out, and all you're going to need to do is fund your account, and then you're going to pay as you go. So the money I funded is almost done, and I'm going to need to fund again. So this is actually once you buy your IP, because you buy your proxy, you're going to have the information like this, which you're going to use to log in on your phone. But this is not a phone right now, so you're going to click on no authentication. So you have with authentication and you have no authentication. The first you're going to need to do is you're going to find your IP address and then save it here for wish listing or whitelisting. So I'm going to come over to ipscore.io, and I'm actually going to look at my IP. So this is actually my IP. You can see if I copy this right here, or I just copied this, I'm going to come over to the platform and I'm going to paste it here. So I'm just going to paste it here. I'm just going to remove one thing so that it looks new. I'm going to remove one thing, and then when I click on save, it's going to get saved and it's going to get whitelisted, right? First, you're going to need to whitelist this, right? So I'm going to paste this and I'm going to click on save. So as you click on save, it's saved already. It's really saved already. It's saved already. My IP address is saved already, is whitelisted. Now, next I'm going to need to do is I'm going to copy this information, but I'm going to copy it one after the other. So I'm going to copy this one first. I'm going to copy this first. And I'm going to go to settings. You're going to go to your settings area. You're going to go to network and internet. If you go to network and internet, you're going to see different options. If you have a VPN, you're going to connect to VPN right here, but we're not using the VPN. Since we're not using the VPN, let's go to proxy. So we'll have proxy here. So click on proxy. We're going to see this, and we're going to see setup. We're going to see this one, manual proxy setup. That's what we're going to click on. If you have a script, you can actually use a script, but we're going to do manual proxy setup. I'm going to click on manual proxy setup. I'm going to turn this on. Now, this is what I'm going to paste here. This is actually my proxy IP address, and this one here is your proxy port, which you're going to copy, and you're going to get back to setup. You're going to paste this, have this paste here, right? And next you're going to do is you're going to click on save. Don't tick on this, just click on save. And once you have save, you have turned this on. Once you have turned this on, let's come back to here and let's refresh this, and we're going to see our IP. So if we scroll down, you're going to see you're going to see that you're connected to Airtel Network Limited, and our city is Obalande, Lagos, right? And proxy force. And I'm just going to click on refresh right here. You see that refresh button? I've clicked on this right now. And once I click on that, I'm going to give it a couple of times to actually, okay, it's refreshed, right? I'm going to refresh this again because I think this is not really getting something clear. So let's refresh again. So refresh again was saying this, your IP wireless, this is our IP. It shows us this as our IP, which is quite confusing. Let's even check this again. Let's check hua.io. Let's check hua.net. hua.net. So click on enter. And we'll give it a while to load up. So with hua.net, you're going to see this clearly. This is your IP address. This here is our IP address, and it says Bethlehem, United States. And it's still this is correct, and we have 90% this, guys. And to actually complete 200, you're going to change the time to fit the time for the place where you are in. And to do that, all you have to do is search for time zone for Bethlehem, United States, or time zone for Pennsylvania, United States, because that's where you're actually in. This Bethlehem is, I don't know how we got here, but we actually at we're actually in Pennsylvania. Yeah, that's the right pronunciation. And you have that fixed. All right, so that is it. Quick one. What I do on this channel, the Grand Academy, is I create videos that helps you make money online. I mean, and survey is actually one of them. If you want to see more of my videos, be sure to see the subscribe button, and I'm going to see you in the next one.